So if the person doesn't have any motivation, then doesn't want to do that, then the result is nothing. If like that, we have to confirm this point. Do you want to do that or not?
So the second question is from the company side. What if the member that got promoted and then his performance is not good as the manager perspective? Yep. So what should the company side solve this problem?
So the member get promoted, then they get the new mission, but their performance is not enough. Then how the company try to approach in this situation? This is also common. Actually, not only just the person who become who get promoted or not, but each of them have the mission, right? Then the member's performance was not enough, then doesn't fulfill the mission. So in this case, actually basically when I see the member doesn't do the action that we want, so anyway the result is not there. The fact is nothing, no result. When I see this, there are like three approach. Firstly, this person want to do it or not, right? The result is nothing. When I see this, confirm whether this person have the motivation to do it or not. So if the person doesn't have any motivation, then doesn't want to do that, then the result is nothing. If like that, we have to confirm this point. Do you want to do that or not? Then this is also happening. In the company, normally you are expected to do that. But the mission is I don't know whatever reasons, but the mission is like too high, or the person have the personal issues and they really doesn't have any motivation to the job. If like that, you confirm, then discuss is there any possibility that how we can get the motivation back, right? Then the person will start or not. Or if really the person doesn't have any motivation, I think we have to talk. Like, do you continue to work or not? Right? Because the person doesn't have the motivation. Or the change in the role, something like this. Which role you have the more motivation, something like this. Then after confirming this, the person wants to do that, but the result is nothing. In that case, go to the two options. Want to do, but the two case. Want to do, but don't know. It's a difficult. Don't know how to do. Difficult, this means that they don't know how to do. That's why feeling very difficult. Don't know the way. If like that, the manager have to provide the way to do, so that the person can do, right? Helping hand. That's why confirm. Do you want to do? Then if they say yes, but I don't know how to do that. It's too high level, too big mission. If like that, go to breakdown, then consider how to do. Then break down, that's why make it smaller. So if you try to approach the bigger one, you feel difficult. But after breaking down, make it smaller, then each of them must be easier. So manager help to let them break down, then let them start taking action one by one, so that they can start taking action and also making the result little by little. Then second one, the most of case, the person want to do and knowing how to do, but cannot do because normally they say it's because busy, no time.
It's busy,
right? So as we are talking, the word busy is the same meaning of the priority. So the manager will help to prioritize their tasks. So you said busy. So which task occupies your time? Then let's break down what you are doing. Check the task management. You are taking time for this. You are taking time for this. That's why you cannot take time for this mission. In that case, please don't do that. I allow you not to do this. Because there are some members, for example, they assign the other members to handle this. That's why you don't have to do that. Then instead of this, please handle this task. Then the person knows the way. That's why they will do. The first one is the person who don't want to do. That's why confirm how the person won't change to the want to do. Give the motivation, right? Then the 2 and 3, these options are for the person who want to do but cannot do. Cannot do, the reason is don't know how to do. Then one more is the don't have time to do. So for this one, provide the way to make it easier. Then third one is provide allocate the task management. Then the block the time for them to do. Just approach in this way.
So for the first one, how can we motivate to do? So how we can motivate?
How can motivate? This is quite. What do you think, right? If you want to do that task, you don't want to challenge the mission, they will do. Then if they don't want to do that, I think better to change the mission first. Change the mission or role. Or the person want to do, but as of now, because of the personal matter, I broken up with Sonsa, then the Sonsa Nana. But if like that, the better to take time. Then if the company cannot wait for that, the better to let the other member to assign to handle this. But depends on the situation.
I see. So, how can we make a decision? To the right.
How to make the decision? The way of decision making, right?
The way.
It depends on the person. The decision making process is a lot. Then there are many ways or many point of view to consider about this. That's why this is for the people like you, the new graduates, who are starting the job, don't know how to make decision. Do you have the case of decision making in a company or in your? You mean about the daily life, daily activity as well?
Minasan can raise the specific example for them. But and then Minasan, can you clarify the point to make a decision making? I believe that we have a basic the same understanding of making decision, and then we can apply it to all of it in our life. No matter it is too or small or big one.
So let me share the general one. In a company, it's a private company. That's why whenever we have the decision, whenever I have the decision making, the basic understanding is the economic rationality. So economic rationality, this means it's logically speaking, this is the profitable or not. How much profitable based on this decision making. To consider this, to estimate this, just roughly. It's okay, just estimate roughly, and you have a lot of factors which cannot make it accurate. But enough. From this decision, these option A, option B, which is more profitable. Just like this. Then take the one which will be more profitable. Then basically economic rationality is the basic. Okay. Then when we consider this, one more thing is the time, the duration. So in the short-term aspect, long-term aspect. In the short-term aspect, this is the profitable $1,000, for example. Then the long-term, in the short-term basis, this is a very or right or minus As of now, it's a minus. But after 3 years, we may generate $10,000. So the short term, long term, these aspects, then the decision making will be different.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but basically the economic rationality is the one to consider about the options. Then short term basis, if we need short term right now, we will take this option. Long term is better than as of now. It's a still investment period. Like that, if so, then we will decide to take these options. So these are the very simple understanding of the decision making.
Let's just talk about the business person. What if just at my age they are so young?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you are not the manager, I think that most of the case the young generation still just enter the company. So probably you don't have such a big responsibility of the things to judge, to decide. Yeah. But in the future, so that you can gain this ability, I have the one advice, things that you can start doing is in your daily life to reduce the unconscious decision making.
Oh.
Reduce unconscious decision making. Yeah, this is my advice. So you can search that in the research of the research or analyze from the university in the US. I've ever seen normally, generally speaking, the people do the decision making 35,000 times per day. 35K times per day. You can check. Yeah. Normally, generally speaking, the people is doing the decision making 35,000 per day. Okay? Are you aware of this? Yeah, because most of them are unconscious.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm drinking this. I just take from the refrigerator this morning. Yeah, at the time there's a water, Coca. Yeah, then I took it. So at the time I already did the decision making. Yeah, but you did it. Normally you were doing this, or today I go by tuk-tuk, or I go by moto, or I go by on foot. You were thinking this, then deciding, oh, today I take tuk-tuk. So everything is unconsciously you are deciding. So the first training is to make unconscious to conscious. Then ask to yourself, why you selected coffee? Why you selected tuk-tuk today? Yeah, then to consider by yourself, oh, because I want to have the bitter taste. For example, I took the very, very much sweeties. Then this morning I feel like drinking something bitter. That's why I drink this. Or this morning I'm very, I'd say, sleepy. That's why I need the caffeine. So I take the coffee. Talk to yourself. How did you decide? How did you consider? And then you try to do this action right now. Train from your daily life in this way so that you can think logically. Then this habit will help you to consider something bigger more easily. So reduce the unconscious decision making in your daily life. This is the beginning.
Yeah, I got it.
In your work, also same. Yes, this is my advice.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. So today, that's it.
Yeah. So today our question is finished, and we hope this content will help you so much to improve your ability to develop yourself. Yeah, thank you.
I hope so. Bye bye.
Bye bye.